Did you have yogurt for lunch? Do you like your yogurt? Do you like your yogurt? You can throw your spoon everywhere. Huh, Mr. Yogurt Face? How much did you eat? Look at this. Look, it's all over your shirt. Look, there's some on your legs. You made a big old mess everywhere. Did you like it? Did you like it? We're going to have to give you a bath before you take your nap. Bath before nap. Look at those kiki feet.